Joe Zarzaur here with another segment of Zarzaur Law TV. October 18th through the 24th is National Teen Drivers Safety Week. Obviously, everybody that has a teen driver is keenly aware of the safety risks that are posed by your brand new driver getting behind the wheel of a car. You've observed them probably over the last 7-8 years with a device in their hand that they haven't removed probably non-stop since they got it, whether it's an iPad or an iPhone or some type of device, handheld device. Pretty much all teenagers are married to those at this moment. So when you mix into that a vehicle, you are asking for trouble, correct? So what National Teen Driver Safety Week is pushing this year is a big campaign about distracted driving. Obviously, the studies show that up to 30 to 40% of teenage drivers are distracted. Most of the time they're distracted from some kind of device, whether it be a music device or some type of communication device like a phone or some type of handheld iPad or notebook. So we have to push these softwares that control the ability of those people to use those devices in the vehicle. I think it's really big. We're going to put some links to some software that you can utilize and some links to some other studies that you can use as resources to utilize to control what your teen driver is doing while they're driving. Keeping in mind that the greatest dangers for teen driving are, number one, distracted driving. Number two, alcohol. They're getting introduced to these, obviously, all these things at the same time. Not wearing seatbelts, thinking they're invincible, which most of them feel. Driving while tired, drowsy driving. Speeding, and then danger to passengers distracting them in some sort of way. All of which we all as teenagers dealt with for the most part, except for the electronic devices. We had a radio and maybe a GPS if you were, born after 1970. But for the most part, people that were born around 1960, 1970, we had a radio, and that was the end of our distracted device. And that didn't have but like 4 or 5 channels that came in on FM. Nowadays, you have hundreds of satellite radio channels. You have devices that can stream TV while you're driving, in addition to social media channels, obviously, or networks that can obviously take your attention away from the road. Long and short of it is, it's a dangerous proposition to have a teenager driving. It's important for us as parents to put in some kind of controls. If you have questions about teenage driving safety issues that relate to any kind of, heaven forbid, any kind of wreck they're in or event they cause, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE. Drive safe.